What if I told you that invisible, tiny robots are already fixing your body and your car? No, this isn't science fiction. It's the reality of nanotechnology, and it's more amazing than you can imagine. Hey everyone, welcome back to Did You Know? By FactBite Daily. Today, we're diving into the mind-blowing world of nanotech that's already changing our lives. Get ready, because these are not your grandpa's inventions. First up, medicine. Forget traditional chemo that attacks your whole body. Scientists have created nanoparticles, so small they're 1,000 times thinner than a human hair. These tiny warriors deliver powerful drugs directly to cancer cells, leaving healthy cells untouched. This means fewer side effects and more effective treatment. It's like having a microscopic special ops team inside you, hunting down only the bad guys. Next, let's talk about your car. Annoyed by those hairline scratches that ruin your perfect paint job? Some new car paints are mixed with a special nano coating. When your car is out in the sunlight, the heat activates these nanoparticles, and they literally rearrange themselves to fill in the hairline scratch. You park your car with a hairline scratch, come back later, and poof, it's gone. It's self-healing paint happening right in your driveway under the sun. Number 3 is for anyone who hates doing laundry. Imagine a shirt that never smells bad, even after you've worn it for a week straight at the gym. It exists. Clothing fibers are being infused with nano-silver particles. Silver is naturally antibacterial, so these tiny particles kill the odor-causing bacteria before they can even start. Your clothes stay fresh for way longer. Less laundry, less water, and you smell great. Moving on to summer days at the beach. You know that thick white sunscreen that makes you look like a ghost? Nanotechnology fixed that too. Modern sunscreens use nano-sized particles of zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. These particles are so small that they don't scatter light, so the sunscreen is completely transparent when you put it on. But they're still big enough to form a powerful shield that blocks harmful UV rays. All the protection, none of the ghostly white residue. Finally, and this one could save millions of lives, is clean water. Many parts of the world lack access to safe drinking water. Boiling helps, but it doesn't get rid of everything. New water filters are being made with nanomaterials, like carbon nanotubes. The pores in these filters are so incredibly tiny that they can trap viruses, bacteria, and other pollutants, while letting pure water molecules pass through. This tech can provide clean, safe drinking water faster and more efficiently than ever before. So, which one of these nano uses completely blows your mind? Was it the cancer-fighting bots, the self-healing car, the forever fresh shirt, the invisible sunscreen, or the super-powered water filter? Let me know in the comments below. Just type the number from 1 to 5. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our daily dose of amazing facts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.